My brothers and sisters in life, hurt trays behind your back, destroy peace. And some gent you still target, but I want to seize tear, just a single atom of pain unnoticed. Decide loud side the strong pressure, powerless. Fear action breaks Allah. Satu Allah delay. Never his time is. Some you sit, why him yet? And the shade whispering, make God protect. But I understand some Allah never ran, never accidentally delays some life. A sign neglect is a sign precision. Allah is designed that ends growth. There are Allah press not his is rope event expose humble them, bring away the lesson blessing, punish every wrong instant. No learn with soft wisdom gain. But when Allah lets it out slow to see the true reality, change depth, resilience. And justice comes in a way makes clear, fair. Every Allah says in His honor, this word spoke against every action, every intention, see, nothing escapes knowledge. Delay, time, wisdom, time, most fitting lesson, most while you are a tear, understand, watching heart. When you no one see justice, right away, elevation, patience, not passive patience, trusting patience, His just, yours is Sabr. And when justice are light, partial, drives, broken inside, hidden, and protects you, was time perfect that we back will say, had I justice, I will learn, I learned, the way I person today. So Allah delays. He is not easy to make your plans better, text you expose theirs. Why change? Why they suddenly show aside expect and it hurts? Betrayal comes from an enemy, comes from someone's heart. You see pain, protection, disguise. Mask of people, presence will harm heart, peace, future. So when someone shows you their true color, breaks you, understand us, say broke, many see us. We don't ever say our backs, tensions, their heart. We don't jealousy, arrogance, or negative inside. Allah hears what Allah sees and sees. Moves life, destroy that now. But imagine seeing damage. Allah saying damage experience when Allah exposes some never to hurt, protect. Some exposure happen through their words, through action, change, behavior, or through interest and distance standing. Why? This is Allah shifting your heart away from never make access, direct, ocean, trust, attention, clarity instead of me, see mercy for showing this instead of later. Every you see some face, is Allah to step back. Heartbreak is easier to shattered soul late. All true light pain instead heavy lies distance themselves. Feel their attention, understand chapter run. Every exit is every exit is a mercy. And when something space more growth. So the next time someone's don't why this happen, instead say Alhamdulillah, Allah protect us for a broke pair. The one who sees unseen, the one hand never let connect to someone's side harm. Allah protects you, protection is your anger. One of the hardest in life is when someone hurts you, heart burn races and every risk yourself and naturally react. Naturally say something back. There is silent anger, silent weakness. Silence is a dua. Silence is a trust. Silent this matter you see not see. No. When a person wrongs you, Prophet Sallallahu said, hear the dua of the oppressed, barrier be it Allah. This moment some just raise your heart speaks direct. Allah, dua brokers faster. Your side a test of dignity, drama, a test ego, a test of trusted the judge who hand control. Anger begs for revenge, side vitus. Anger speaks from the ego, but silence speaks from the soul. Anger to fix the but silence fixes. When you choose silence, not in the pain, you are simply elevate the matter higher. Every hidden divine injustice can escape. People may emulate, cannot. They may hide their intentions from, but they cannot hide. They may tend innocent, but Allah so hard change. Heard Allah witness them. So will not be paid. He say already taken note. I will hand better. Your silence also protects your heart. Toxic respond anger, burden, bitterness. The situation again and again it steals. But when you choose silence and hand it, heart stays light, faster, understand that every battle you'll fight. And here is for a second side. When your heart aches, but tongue stays calm towards it. When you suffer anger, His say faces with some better clarity, strength, peace, or a door blessing expect. Sometimes the people hurt, they have to fight back, but we don't realize they wrong. They were already not, but promise. Allah banned patient pride. He stands, He fights for them, and He writes justice so perfect. Here, understand why He told to stay silent. So the next time, burn, react. My silence for them, my silent weak worship. My silence is invite victory. When Allah takes over the battle against you, a moment in life, reach your limit. Stay patient. Stay understand the situation. Heavy carry to explain yourself. You try to fix things. You try to worse it. You reach up. You say, hand this, and that moment you hand pain the battle. And when Allah takes over, there is also on earth no enemy and no scheme that can some break. Just you stop strength and start relying. As long you can pull every to solve once you that His hand is far greater, far stronger. Any you surrender the matter to Allah up. You are stepping aside. So you can step. Allah takes charge. Battle, time, verse, door, imagine irrelevant plots against you. lies spoken, so you live Allah precision. That enemy comes stunned by a turn. They expect your down, insteadness your rise. Expect you to break Allah's strength. They expect ensure not power placed your trust in. Allah says, if Allah helps you, none can overcome you. This is divine mercy. Decide to sub the transfer way that makes you touch. If the entire world gathers against, they cannot less Allah protect the smallest blessed she in the slight weapon strong fights your battle. Your enemy elevates you. To come up the city. Why? More ground connect. Battle was sent destroy. Battle reused true strength. True protect. While your enemies were plotting your down, while being stone Allah foundation, while to shut was a better door. One they touch. People may fight your potential. Any blessing, misunderstand fights for your sincere lie. Our sincere. So when you help be sad, helplessness, beginning of strength, weakness be power, tears, silence. This fight your battle can victory outwardly secure, and the end faith weak is strong. Lima, Allah does not let you walk away empty your pain. One of the most beautiful truths in Islam is that never allow to experience every tear you cry, every night you've struggled to sleep, every to some wasted trial, the hand, pain, carry your reservation, away blessing, many risk, money, material, risk is from that, risk peace, heart, risk is clarity of mind, risk earn experience, risk emotional strength, them, risk protect from some harm if they had stayed, risk is more than one, and some risk a lesson. So when someone hurts you, remain patient. Allah face that pain. Give not see immediate sight, gradual beauty, strong connection. Your sincere, your these are blessing valuable than anything the person takes. Allah says, indeed, Allah is with the patient. He does watching where is with them. Me knows it hurt. Allah stand beside. Listen, guide, continue. His strength understand. Some door punish you, some better, some but gain peace you had. You may job depend, but gain blessing that sets your life in a better direction. You may lose the cut of clarity, but gain the Allah never takes with giving some return. He faces his temporary with what is better. Here is a powerful Allah also to hurt, present, block the risk, their block behavior, their intention, block blessing. When it moves them, he is clearing the path so that what it can teach you, tear never wasted, heartbreak is never useless, your suffering is never lost. Systems are so every test is a stepping stone, every pain gate not see today. Back and say that person hurt me. I will Allah not taking that away. I will receive. Had I not grown to strength to love you, hurt you, why mistake? What takes away, what delay effects? He writes for no and trust the risk. 6 breaks the try to break. They act block risk or happiness. Some will hurt you as they assume advantage kind mistakes, and some stay silent. You have no strength. What realize justly they against create. Allah tells us in Quran, thoughts of doers event destroy. This means every some will hurt you tension. Allah back in ways expect. Their latch up, their arrogance expose their schemes for their block peace. Do not always see the consequences. Allah sees tires to beginning to end. Allah protects you. He doesn't only shield, weakens the ability. Sometimes hates them public. Sometimes their influence quiet. Times turn actions against. And some does some elevates you very to see. Therefore watch Allah deck blessings while life revenge. Corrupt. Many times the person who break ends up break themselves. The Prophet ﷺ answered for a sin justice. He doesn't allow fair and protect you. Nothing you say, nothing you sympathize silent. Allah reacts. Your side, your shield, pay your strength. Allah defend. As long as you stay sincere, stay humble, and stay connected to you, that nothing can ever by a time person. But you see, their true nature, so he lets their behavior out. So he take great elevate you spend some materially. Person tried to break your cleanse ended up building it. The person tried your reputation ended up carrying. The person push you down ended up here carried. Let him have real his protection. The moment he does, they collapse because you fought them. But their injustice heavy. Do not fear people. Do not worry about those who speak against you or act against you. Their strength plans and they out decide enough is enough. Once irrelevant, powerless, and uncontrolled breaks those who break show no life except him. 7. It's just blocks it. Difficult forgiveness. Not because service. When someone hurts, betrays, or speaks against us, respond, go revenge. Urge yourself right. To make them feel. And teaches very of strength. The strength to rise above, to let go, and to hand the mat. Forgiveness is in them win. Forgiveness is let it take over. There is a full spiritual reality. Don't understand. When you chase revenge, Allah steps back. When you can say, Ya Allah, judging us, He steps. And the justice Allah did perfect. Far it and then achieve. Revenge might satisfy your anger, but justice satisfies your heart. Forgiveness doesn't forget what it did. It doesn't trust them again. It doesn't pain. Innocent change heart to some who has already worse. Bitterness consume to let some hurt. When you give yourself, when you see peace, strength, clarity, blessing. Allah knows every detail of what happened. In the parts you cannot work. Every moment you were silent, defend yourself, may lie, twist, play innocent while, but Allah sees exactly as it was saying, trust justice. And justice, because justice destroy, teach, awaken, correct, and protect. Some punish by taking away their peace. Sometimes bless, some face them, and some He lets grow happy elevation while they remain stuck in the same bitterness. This way showing a sincereness, a anger struggles to connect to Allah. A heart resent cannot. The sweet but a heart that forgives and soft, becomes humble, open, receive. Prophet ﷺ said, Allah elevates the gives them, and He places was take with something better. While too soft, blessing, strength to show this, forgiveness, escape. It's simple. First, you're not saying they are innocent. You're saying, Ya Allah, I trust you handle them better ever. Never kind of this world, peace, next, honor. So forgiveness they deserve forgiveness they are right. Allah sees to let them back your life, but to let give our steps, the battle, our steps into your battle guarantee. Forgiveness is not them, peace, your elevate and your closeness to let our hand justice never regret the past. Beloved brothers and sisters, carries lesson this. No justice experience is lost to Allah. People may forget what did. People may pretend they walk in happy court. Respond exactly when just for life. Never alone yourself. Never abandon pain. Not see. In the strength, exhaust. In the door open. Everything seemed closed. And in the peace, the return was forever. These are all signs. Fight asked him. Many times the battle distractually using build hurt, grow wiser. The situations broke closer. The moments you cried alone, reason you learned nothing wasted. Every tear, every prayer, just every of silent patience, they echo in the heaven way. Imagine if someone has hurt, don't carry hand in Allah. If someone has betrayed, don't let bitterness consume the matter. Allah. If some block your success or damage, don't tongue let Allah just defend myself, stand jealousy and no remains. Your responsibility is simple. Keep your heart clean and pure, and keep your Allah strong. His protection greater than can more precisely scheme, and His time perfect any yourself. One day realize hurt never. The situations that overwhelm, events that never mercy, and every single guide for the stronger highs and walk with confidence. Walk forward with faith. Walk know it protects you, loves you more than else. He is handling every battle cannot see. Your battle, victory possible.